Guys, it's Sammy here, and today we're going to be doing a challenge that I got from my friend Nico called the Showdown No Joystick Challenge. Basically what this is that I'm going to hop into a random game of Showdown and I'm not going to be able to use my joystick. And if you're asking how will I do this, if you hold the sprint button, you automatically move towards the basket. So I'm only allowed to use the sprint button, and I can't control how I move. So this is going to be pretty tough, and I'll be surprised if I win. Also, as you can see on the left, you get a 50% fan bonus if you use your shooting lineup. So I'm going to use mine, if I can find it. It's defense and shooting. Okay, guys, so we're going to hop into a match, and I will see if I can win. Okay, we're playing 86. My shooting lineup is also 86, I think. Let's see if he's doing his shooting lineup. No, that's his regular lineup. He's 99 for Steph Porzingis. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, guys. But the rest of his team isn't very good. I'm basically just going to shoot a bunch of threes or dunk. Like, whatever they want. Also, guys, comment if you can ever win tip-offs. What? I can, like, never win tip-offs. Okay, I just used my joystick there. That was kind of cheating. There we go. Steph Curry. Seth Curry. Not Steph, because I got scammed. And I get blocked. Pass to Paul George. Nope, wrong person. Okay. Dennis Smith. No. This is so hard, guys. As you can see, I'm not touching the joystick. It's not lighting up. If you're new here, just remember to like and subscribe, because this challenge is pretty hard. And if I win, I will like all the comments and shout you out in the next video. So there's that 99 Kristaps Porzingis we were talking about. We're just going to pass it out to Paul George because, you know. Throw up a little floater. Miss. You know he has 90. Scoring with contact. Okay, guys, this is not going so well. But I'm going to see if I can do better. I'm going to shoot some threes. If I can. I'm going to see if there's anyone in the corner. Which there isn't. No. Wrong person. That's good. Oh, got the highlight. Oh, behind! He missed it. Are you kidding me? You actually missed it. Larry Bird doesn't miss. 72 dunking, that's pretty bad. I'm really surprised Steph Curry missed. You can see, guys, if you didn't know, the All-Star promo is ending, and I was like 20,000 votes short of getting the LeBron James. Comment if you got it. But I am gonna see what the next promo is. Let's go. See, Steven Adams can make your shots. Seth Curry. you guys are new, remember to subscribe to my friends' channels, 3 Stars and Ollie Live. They're really good, and they're also new just like me. And also remember to subscribe to JV Vlogs, because he's really nice, and he gives a lot of free shoutouts. Okay, get it to Larry Bird. See if we can pull up for 3. Give us space. We hit that. Let's go. Wait, they counted as a mid-range? Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness. What is this? 99 Porzingis. No. Yes. So Larry Bird hit a mid-range shot last time. We're gonna see if we can hit a 3 with him. No. But Steven Adams, hook shot, easy makes. Boys. Let's go. So I have a challenge for you guys. I want you guys to try the no joystick challenge and see if you win. Comment if you win, and if you did, I'll like your comment. Oh my god. Porzingis. Stop. Please. I do not like that. Shooting it with Steven Adams. You can just see some of the fans sitting on there. Okay, yeah, he didn't make that. By the way. This view is really weird. Okay, let's see if we win. Come on, guys. We lost our quarter, but only by 2. Oh, gosh. Nope. We failed. Oh, well. That was pretty hard, so I don't know if I'll be doing that again. But that's it, guys. And I will see you.